How to see Amazon chat history. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon and log into your account. Then, at the top, you'll find Customer Service. Click on Customer Service at the top. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Something Else. Then click on I Need More Help. Now click on Start Chatting Now. On the left side, new screen will pop up. In here, you will find all the chats. This is not available on my region, so there is no option for chat. But if you have access to chat, you will find all your chat list in here up to 6 months. And this is how to see Amazon chat history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.